This is a special shout out to my good friend Hong Jin, who is the boss of AsiaT-shirts.com, for these super awesome customized design polo t-shirts, which in spite of the lockdown and also logistical challenges due to COVID-19, it was timely, it was high quality. I'm super happy about it. So be sure to check them out in the link below. Now, this is the perfect conversation for this period of time that we conveniently call COVID-19, but in fact, I want you to consider that 2020 is just a transition period into a new era that is 2021 and beyond. I think it is commonly known by now that economies, currencies, stock markets are in fact so vulnerable and so volatile that they are no longer reliable as assets. The new asset that smart people have caught on to increases in the thousands and millions every day. It is spread across multiple platforms, and it increases based on the real and actual value that you are giving others. I am talking about this new asset called social influence, and to build that, you need to have individualism. People don't want to hear about the shit you're selling. People don't want to hear about your promise of a better tomorrow. What people want to hear is, who are you? What do you stand for? And can you be their hero? I'm not here to tell you that you can be a superhero. I'm saying you should be a superhero. To who you ask? Your customers who come back to you, your customers who write raving reviews about you. They are your community. They want to hear from you. They want to talk about you, and they want to share about you. Let me give you an example. Remember, when you were young, you probably had a favorite superhero, favorite idol, and how that person's face, figurines, and posters were put all over your room and you totally loved it. As your customers and your community's superhero, your face needs to be all over their social media platforms. I'm talking about photos, videos, posts, the full works. And I'm not talking about just one photo, one video, or one post. I'm talking about being frequent and consistent to let them know that you are there and you care about them, especially in a time like this. I know what you're thinking. Are you asking me to be shameless? Hell yeah, be shameless! This is the time to share about your life, but above that, you want to share helpful tips and inspire your clients and community. Get into action now. I'll see you next week.